Today is Monday, 3rd of August 2026, New York time, 6 past 10 in the morning. This is my portfolio. I have 6 stocks. First one, Credo. Its gain is minus 0.51%. Second one is ASML. Its gain is minus 10.59%. Then Devon Energy with a gain of 0.9%. I've got Broadcom, 3.67%. Zeta Global Holdings with its gain of 15.55%. And Nvidia with its gain of 1.53%. The total gain for these 6 stocks is 1.87%. Now let's go to TipRanks to check my Lens 1 criterion. Let's go to the stock screener. The filter that I have, the setting is market cap above $2 billion, smart score outperform, AI rating buy, price is over $10, so we don't take anything that is a penny stock. And the top analyst price target is upside of above 20%. Today I pick Vertiv Holdings. Its market cap is $93 billion. Its price target currently is $250.90. It has strong buy, and the top analyst price target is 45% upside with smart score of 10. And its next earnings date is 28th of October. Let's go to Simply Wall Street. We're going to check Vertiv Holdings. Its future growth is 5 out of 6, and its financial health is 6 out of 6. So that passes Lens 2. Now let's go to my broker's platform. We were looking for VRT, Vertiv Holdings, and its current price is $251.70, which is correct. And you want to buy the quantity in US dollars with market order, and what we want is $100 worth of Vertiv Holdings. Okay, so I'm making the buy now. Order executed. So I bought Vertiv with quantity of 0.395 and so forth, with a price of $251.90. So I now have 7 stocks in my portfolio. If you want a simpler path, you don't need to do any of this. Just buy an S&P 500 or the Nasdaq 100 ETF. Do it monthly and let it run. Stock picking is more like a sport. There's excitement in it, there's luck in it too. So only use a small portion of your money, small enough that you don't lose sleep if it goes against you. Whether this pick gains or loses, it's a learning point for everyone following along, including me. Quick reminder, everything here is for education and entertainment, not financial advice. This is my own real money experiment. I'm not a licensed advisor, so don't buy or sell anything just because I did. Do your own research or talk to a licensed professional before making any investment decisions. If this helped you think through a stock differently, hit like and subscribe for the next pick. Have a good day.